Hey everybody, it's Thoughtful Husband here, and today I'm going to talk about the clipboard maneuver. Now, why is this thing needed? Well, listening is a pretty difficult skill, and this little tool right here actually helps prevent defensiveness and interruptions. Listening right the first time saves time and energy, and using a clipboard helps slow down the conversation, which lowers the emotional intensity. Step 1, get a clipboard. Easy enough. You can use a pad of paper, that's fine. Then get a topic. Should be something that's difficult to solve. Write down that topic, top of here. Get some questions, think about it for a little bit to prepare for the conversation. Then, step 2, set a timer. Should be about 30, maybe 15 to 30 minutes. Whatever you can handle, whatever you think the subject is going to merit. Step 3, go ahead and ask the other person to tell you what they think about the topic. Guarantee full attention and no interruptions, no defensiveness. Just listen attentively and take notes. If you want to defend yourself, interrupt, don't do it. Just write it down on the clipboard. If you got problems, if you got questions, don't ask them, don't interrupt, write them on the clipboard. You see how helpful this thing is? Step 4, tell the other person what you heard, just to make sure you got it right? Ask any questions you might have to clarify. But remember that you won't be able to solve this conflict until you fully understand the other person. Step 5. Now, it's your turn to talk. Go and hand over the clipboard to the other person. Set a timer and repeat steps 3 and 4. Now, I know this sounds too easy, but if your conversations feel like chaos, then what you need is structure. And if you still struggle to work through the issue, go ahead and take a look at some of my other videos on communication and why it's so hard to communicate. Love you guys. Take care.